control. Be advised, you started number 3 engine on Cosmic Girl.
Okay, stand by everyone!
Alex, hi Jermaine. It's very cold, very windy, but we're very excited, aren't we?
Yay!
Because we are officially counting down to that moment where a rocket will be attached to a jumbo jet and will boldly go where no British space mission has gone before. Into space.
Temperatures and pressures remain to be nominal. Some of the more interesting stuff you'll see is now down at the bottom of the screen, where the Cosmic Girl panel shows that she's currently a little over 300 miles per hour and steadily climbing, just gone past 12,000 feet. Cosmic Girl, of course, like any other aircraft, the captain on board in the cockpit is the person that is the authority on the vehicle. So there may be some slight changes to altitude climbing or the trajectory that Cosmic Girl uses to move out to the racetrack, and that's up to the captain. But generally what we expect to see here is that when we're in the racetrack for the cold pass, we'll be approximately a little over 35,000 feet.